Welcome to Foreshore Drive in Bluff, Durban, where the grandeur of the Indian Ocean meets the tranquility of coastal living. As our drone soars along this scenic route, behold the seamless blend of nature's beauty with urban charm. Each bend in the road unveils breathtaking ocean vistas, inviting the soul to pause and savor the view. To our right, the vibrant community of Bluff showcases homes dotted with greenery, embodying a serene escape from the bustling city. Along the way, hidden beaches and verdant parks beckon, offering sanctuaries for relaxation. Soaring high above the coast, our drone offers a spectacular view of the waves as they gracefully crash against the shore, adding a rhythmic beauty to the peaceful morning ambience. The air, fresh and salty, fills the atmosphere, adding a touch of nature's essence to our flight. As the journey progresses, the morning sun ascends, casting a golden glow over the landscape and enhancing the view of the tranquil tidal pool. The calm waters reflect the bright sky, creating a perfect moment of peace. This radiant morning at the tidal pool not only marks the end of our aerial journey, but invites us to appreciate the fresh start and the pristine beauty of Foreshore Drive.